Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert PDF to Word document, and it is very easy process which you can follow in any device you are using. Like it could be iPhone, PC, Mac, whatever you are using, you can just use the same process. So this is the PDF which I'm gonna convert into Word document. So for that, what we can do, just open the third party website by the name of PDF Candy. You can use the same website, and also many websites are there where you can just convert the PDF file into Word document. So this is the PDF which we are going to convert into Word document. So for that, now just let me click here, and this is the website which we are going to convert the file. So this is website by the name of PDF Candy, and you can use the same website and you can explore by yourself as well. Here in this website you will find couple of tools like compress PDF, merge PDF, word to PDF, PDF to JPG. Many tools are available, but the tool which we are going to use is PDF to Word. So just click here. Now guys, before we move forward, I'm so close to achieving a big milestone, which is 1000 subscribers. It's been a dream of mine and we are just few steps away from making it happen. If you think I really helped you, and on that basis if you can subscribe my YouTube channel to help me reach this goal, I would really appreciate it. Now let me tell you the next process. Here we just need to now click on add file, then select a file. This is the file which we are going to convert into Word document. So I'll just double click on the file, click on convert. It will take some time, and once it is done you will see the option for download file. Just click on download, and you can see we have successfully downloaded the file and it is in the download folder. Here you can see the file which we have converted into Word document. So we are just going to double click on the file. Like I can just edit this text by my need, and also we can just resize the images. Like you can do anything you want. And yeah guys, that's how you can convert PDF file into Word document.